So we are in collections and we are looking at dictionaries, which are one of the collection types, and we are looking at the pop item method inside of dictionary. So how does the pop item method work? And we've actually got a little description just up here, pop item, and we've used pop before, and we're now going to test to try to use pop item. And although we use pop and pop item to remove elements from a dictionary, they are actually different. Pop can remove any item from a dictionary as long as you specify the key, but pop item can only remove and return the value of the last element in the dictionary. So let's go and create a dictionary. We'll take one from above and we will test out our pop item method. So here's our created dictionary, and this is the result of the dictionary. Alice is who's 10, Bob who's 12, and Charlie who's 11. And we are going to let's try the pop item method. So we're going to try the pop item method, and it says here, or we've written here, that pop item can remove and return the value. So we're going to get a return value, but let's just see this anyway. So d.pop item, open brackets, and we see that we get something that comes back, which is a tuple, which is the item that is going to be removed from the dictionary. So we got d.pop item, and we'll assign this tuple that gets back to popped to the variable popped, just like that. So we've got d.pop item, and we're expecting to get the last item back. So let's just print popped, just like that, and we will run that, and we see that Charlie, who's 11 years old, that's the tuple that is popped out of the dictionary. But let's just check that our dictionary is now smaller by that one item. So let's print D and run it, and we see that this was our original dictionary here, and our new dictionary is shorter. Charlie's been popped out, so we could do something like this just as a nicety. Print, we'll do a little F string, and we will use our curly braces to insert the variables. So popped was removed, and we are now left with, and we'll put in our smaller dictionary. This is what we're going to be left with, is the dictionary of D, like that, and we can print out the result. So Charlie, 11, so this is the tuple. Charlie was removed, now left with, and the remaining dictionary, Alice and Bob. So that's basically the pop item method. It works slightly differently from the pop method, and that's how it works for Python dictionaries.